County in east central Alabama, southern Chambers County in east central Alabama, until 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:26 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Notasulga, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Auburn, Opelika, Notasulga, Smiths Station, Waverly, Cosetta, Beulah, Beans Mill, Auburn University, Riverview, Beauregard, Oak Bowery, Bleecker, Griffin Mill, Locopoca, Robert G. Pitts Airport, Chewacla State Park, Roxana, and Mount Jefferson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern and east central Alabama. What? Minor flooding is